COVID-19 vaccine distribution is going to be an unprecedented exercise in human history. As each country gears up for vaccine distribution, many new challenges need to be overcome to achieve the goal of community immunity. Never seen before scale and speed, theft, pilferage, and counterfeiting risk, temperature compliance, especially for sub-zero needs, logistics planning, considering multiple handoffs, and inventory management of last-mile vaccine carriers. In just 3 simple steps, TagBox's BoxLens platform can help ensure COVID-19 vaccine safety and efficacy. 1. Drop a Tag 360 sensor into the vaccine shipper box. 2. Map the vaccine batch ID and shipper box ID with the sensor ID using Tag Sync app. And 3. Ship and start viewing the trip live on BoxLens platform. With features like real-time mean kinetic temperature visibility, early warning signals and alarms for temperature excursions, wrong route and unauthorized truck stops, pilferage and counterfeiting signals, example, box open, reusable box inventory tracking, automated QA report at end of trip, and corrective and preventative actions. TagBox can help you manage the complexities of COVID-19 vaccine distribution. Contact us today to know more.